Cat, and today we will be doing our top favorite toys, and we also have Egg here today.
Yeah, okay, so today we're going to be talking about toys like Cookie Cat said. So I wanted to ask you something. What is one of your favorite toys?
My favorite LOL doll is one that I named Charlie. I just thought that she looked like a Charlie because she had freckles and braids. And I like her because she has blue hair and blue eyes. And I like how her color scheme is because it's like pink, black, and blue and white.
Are those your favorite colors? One of my favorite toys is probably like animal plushies. I have a whole bunch in my bedroom. I love them really much. I think one of my favorites is one of my friends gave it for my birthday last year. It's like this little puppy with little floppy ears. It's really, really soft. I, by accident, had it in my backpack when I was going to my cabin, and I had this some honey in my backpack, like a honeycomb, and it spilled all over in my backpack. So almost everything in my backpack was full of honey. And then the little puppy that I got from my friend's little paw was also dipped in honey, so I was kind of sad. But then I put a sock over it, and it was okay.
So in my bedroom, I have a beanbag next to my bed. So it has stuffed animals there too, and there's also, I like to put some on my bed. And then I have a treasure chest in my closet. It's a little treasure chest, and it's also filled with stuffed animals. My favorite is a sheep. I like it because I bought it somewhere that you wouldn't really see toys. I bought it at Macy's. It was in the baby section. I just saw like, Mom, can I have this? It looks really cute. And she said, yeah. I thought she wasn't serious because most of the time she didn't really buy me stuff out of nowhere. Like I just asked, but she did, and I was really happy.
Cool. And I want to ask you one more thing. What do you think about Legos?
Well, I like them because you could really do anything with it. If your plan doesn't work, you already learn from the stuff you have.
I like them because I always like to build, buy the big things. Like my brother, like those building things where you just get the instructions and you can build them. Because my brother always gets them and he doesn't know how to build them, so I usually build it for him, and then he loves it, and then he'll play with it, and then he'll destroy it. But one thing that I don't like about Legos is stepping on them. I hate stepping on them. They hurt so bad.
Yeah, I don't like stepping on them, and it happens most of the time because I have this big carpet, and it's like it has little bristles, and like once you drop something really small in it, it's hard to see. And if I drop a tiny little Lego piece in there, it's hard to see. And most of the time I walk without my shoes on in my room, and it really hurts when I step on them.
Yeah, it sounds like it hurts. Well, I think that's a wrap, huh? Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Remember to subscribe and like, and come next time to see some of Cookie Cat's videos, which are awesome. Bye.
Bye.